How to make money with digital marketing. Digital marketing is termed as an online platform where one can advertise their products online on the internet or any other digital medium. It is a thing of the past when salesmen used to sell their wares by shouting their prices, attractions, and their benefits in a community market. Before we get started, if you're new here, subscribe to Digital Cashflow and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest content. Content writing. Content is king. They say it and mean it. It is the foundation of the entire digital marketing campaigns and strategies, without which nothing could really scale. So there's a great chance you can make money by selling content writing services. There are various forms of content that digital marketing strategies often work upon. The popular among them include articles, blog posts, social media posts, and scripts for video posts. Almost every business requires content writing services, either in-house or remote, to get their brand going. So you can easily make money by learning the specific skills required for content writing. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the finest ways to make money with digital marketing. You can earn money by recommending sales for the products of other businesses. The process of making money with affiliate marketing is pretty simple. You just have to find the products you wish to promote, create a relevant website, and drive traffic from the potential customers of your affiliate product. There are two different working alternatives for affiliate partnerships. Standalone programs call for establishing an account directly with the product's company and affiliate networks wherever you can. It allows you to work through multiple partnerships at a time. Website design. Are you good at web designing? Then you can easily earn money through digital marketing. If you technically sound and know how to design a website and maintain it to make it attractive for users, you can easily bag some amount with these skills. Using the latest digital marketing algorithms, you should also regularly update with specifics like the right splash of colors, the content displayed properly, inviting layout, and such details. These are a few methods that can be tested to make money using the internet. You can choose your niche of expertise and start to work hard. You will need to keep patience and be consistent in your efforts, as results to appear in digital marketing may vary. But you can be assured of your efforts being paid off, and you can earn handsome money online. Blogging. Blogging is a great way to earn money through digital marketing, but it takes time and effort. The most important factor in blogging is coming up with a niche that you are passionate about. This allows your blog to be more authentic and will help you establish a loyal following. Once you have chosen your topic, post regularly and try to respond to all comments on your posts. This will show your readers that you care about them and appreciate their input. You may also want to consider monetizing your blog through advertisements or affiliate links. Whatever you choose, make sure it is relevant to the content of your blog and doesn't detract from the user experience. Freelancing. Whether you're a graphic designer, a writer, or an SEO expert, it's easy to find clients who need your services. Even if you don't know much about digital marketing, there are always entry-level jobs available for people who are willing to learn on the job. When applying for freelancing jobs, be sure to include samples that showcase your skills in action. If you're a graphic designer, include images of previous work or screenshots of websites or apps that show off your designs. If you're a writer or editor, attach writing samples and proofreading samples. And if you're applying for an SEO position, show off keywords that you've targeted successfully in past campaigns. Social Media Manager. Social Media Manager is a job that can be done from anywhere. It will satisfy your need to work from home and earn money at the same time. Most people who have social media accounts, even those who are not actively using them, may not realize that there are people out there who are making money on social media sites by helping other people promote their businesses. A social media manager is someone who helps others establish an online presence to advertise their product or service. There are several different methods that you can use to do this, including creating your blog, where you publish content and link back to other website owners. You will also want to create social networking pages, such as Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn, so that you can interact with others in your niche market. E-commerce business. You can start an online business and make money selling products on marketplace websites like Amazon or Flipkart. From special goodies to usual household stuffs or anything and everything, you sell everything online. You just need to create a seller account on these websites, fulfill the criteria, and start selling. You will also need to invest in e-commerce visual merchandising to present your products in an appealing and organized manner, enhancing the chances of attracting customers and driving sales. Podcast production. As a podcast producer, you'll help create engaging audio content that can range from educational series to entertainment or interviews. This role requires technical skills in audio editing and a good understanding of sound quality, as well as an understanding of various podcasting platforms and how to optimize content for them. You'll also need to be adept at storytelling and content planning, ensuring each episode is compelling and aligns with the overall podcast theme. Marketing the podcast is another key aspect, involving social media promotion and possibly collaborations with other podcasters or sponsors. This hustle is perfect for those who have a passion for audio content and are keen on exploring the growing world of podcasting. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching.